Welcome to another video. So we're going to discuss the command prompt line within CATIA V5. So over here we can type various commands. For example, if I will go within part design, with the possibility to just type in line, and this will allow me to create a line over here, or I can add a different command, for example plane, and that will create me a plane. Now, if that window is missing, you should reset CATIA V5 settings, because if I'm going to right click over here, we're going to see that the toolbar will not actually have its own taskbar over here. This is more visible over here if I will leave part, and over here we're going to have the standard, which will have those one over here. We're going to have the workbench, which will be the one on the side. We're going to have the graphic properties, which will be the one on the top. We also have over here the knowledge, which we're going to see it will be the following. We have 3D experience device. If you are using a space mouse, those will be added over there. So we can enable workbenches, but we're going to say that for the command prompt, we cannot enable it over here. We can go within customize, and over here within toolbar, you should select the standard one and restore all content, all position. And that should have that resetted. If you still don't have the command prompt, you can also go within tools, options, and over here, you can reset this to the default. So it will be the following icon over here on the left. So reset parameter values to default ones. After that, just make sure to change the ones that you usually prefer to have them added within your build. Okay, so I know that within 3D Experience, CATIA, you can have that disable enable the command prompt, but for some reason within CATIA V5, you don't have access to that. You can also go ahead and you can do a clear settings. So you can delete one file from CATIA that will be recreated when CATIA will be started. And that is also a possible solution for this. So for others that have also encountered this problem, let me know in the comment section how would you address this missing feature, because I saw that some users don't have the command prompt. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.